There's doo-doo right next to the car. Just so you know.
Get it.
Kick it to Courtney. Are you going to throw it to Alex?
Can you catch?
Catch.
Dave, can you catch? No.
One. Out. Put your arms out.
Out.
Baby, like this.
Out.
Like this, baby.
Oh. Ready? Let's catch.
Ready?
Ready? We got it. Oh.
Oh, almost.
Ready?
Yay! Kick it.
Kick it. Wow. Kick.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Watch that dog poop right there.
Can you catch again? No. Out.
Stop.
Out.
Stop.
Yeah.
Out.
Ready?
Let's catch it.
Oh!
Ready?
Let's punch it. I'm kidding. Oh, he's falling.
He's leaning on
Why
you.
are you leaning? Ready? Hands
Ready?
out. Ready? Catch.
Yay! Hey-ya!
Yeah.
Do it again. Yay!
Why did I get an noise when we did it?
He always has done that
Oh.
since he was a little
Okay,
kid.
Courtney. Oh, it's coming back to you. Kick it again.
Yay!
Get it. We're over here.
Say, watch out for doo-doo.
Get it. Get it.
Uh-oh.
Car.
Watch out for doo-doo, Zave.
Door.
Baby, come get it.
Get the ball.
Ready?
Why is he paying attention to the car?
He likes cars.
Ready?
Kick it.
Bending all the way over to get the ball.
There's a little girl showing off.
Yay!
Do it.
Look.
Ready?
Let me get it.
Good. You put your hands out. Ready? Catch it.
Catch, Zave, catch.
You're doing what I'm doing. Go. Him. Ready?
Yay! He's gonna walk right in that crap.